Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing really good this morning. I hope everyone is blessed this morning. Today I just want to have a conversation with you guys about nature. Just a short video about nature and about us and how important it is for us to know that we and the plants are so connected. We and the plant are so connected. Yeah. These are some slip. I set the seed, and I mean we have tomato and we have some pepper, sweet pepper coming up inside there. You know, these are my celery. These are my herbs right here. I set some okra seed around here. And I see they start coming up already. I don't know if you can see that, but they start coming up already. So that's a good thing. So I have my herbs, but I'm gonna leave my herbs here. But I'm gonna transplant all these slips. Well, this container with slips, I'm gonna transplant this. And I'm gonna transplant this one this weekend. Guys, today and tomorrow, it's a beautiful planting day. If you have anything that can plant at this moment, put it in the earth. Tomorrow, today, it's a beautiful planting day, guys. So don't forget that, right? And also, I have a giveaway for $100 on the 16th of April. So don't forget, keep active on the channel because on the 16th, I'm going to choose a winner. All right? Now, nature, plants, the rain, the moon, the sun, water. The plants cannot survive without water. The plants cannot survive without the sun, the energy. We as humans cannot survive without the sun. We cannot survive without water. So that's a connection. That's indicate to us that life the life that generates in us also generate in plants. Okay, so we have a connection. So the same way you take care of the baby plant, without care these will not come anything. Okay, if you just take them and choke them in the earth, they're gonna die. They're not gonna, they need care. The same thing with the baby. The baby born without care is not gonna, what's gonna happen without care. Okay, so we all have a connection. We all have a connection. So you have to understand, if you wanna do farming, you have to understand farming is not just about walking, dig a hole and plant something. That's not farming. Anybody could dig a hole and plant something. Farming is cultivate everything. It's step by step. Cultivate, prepare the land, cultivate, get everything in order, set your seed, care for your seed. You have to water your seed. Sometimes you could put seed in a container with water for like 2 days before you set them, so it bursts faster. Okay, if you don't do that, it's best for them first couple days you wet them morning and evening, so you're gonna get a nice burst really fast. Okay, so the same care you have to give a child, a baby, is the same care you have to give to these plants. When you care them from small and you get them a certain way, they could be on their own. So now all you're doing now is guiding them and try protect them. Meaning getting rid of the dirt, the bushes, clean away the bush for them and allow them to grow. Okay, the same thing you're gonna do for your child. You're gonna make sure you protect them from anything you can. The dog, the cat, the animal, human being, whatever. So it's the same with the animal. You got to protect them. Same with the plants. You got to protect them from the wild bushes. Okay? So I just want you to understand. Farming, you have to be entwined with farming. You have to understand the plant. That's why it's good to do your little experiment. You have to know your plant. You got to know what your plant like, and you got to know when to plant that plant. So farming is something you got to study. If you guys think I need to write an ebook with the information I know, let me know in the comment section. If you think I need to write an ebook with the knowledge I have about farming, let me know, guys. Okay? So just remember, farming is not just about digging a hole and plant. Farming is about caring, loving. You got to show love to the plant, and they will not let you down. You have to care for the plant, and they will not let you down. Okay? So by this weekend, these and them gonna be in the earth. I'm gonna plant them because I want them in the earth before the spring hit. Them here is celery. I'm gonna leave them a little bit because maybe for next planting day. But guys, today is a very good planting day. Tomorrow is a very good planting day. If you have anything, try put it in the earth. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.